Welcome to Tarkett. My name is David Goff. Today we're going to talk about the required maintenance for all Tarkett smooth flooring solutions. For the required procedures, you're going to need some specific equipment. You're going to need a dust mop or a vacuum to get rid of the dry particulate. We're going to need 2 mop buckets, one for chemistry, one for rinsing, and 2 mop handles with mop heads. We don't want to contaminate one with the other. You need the cleaning chemistry. You need a single disc swing machine, 175 to 350 RPMs, and a red pad for that machine. And we'll need a wet vac to get rid of the slurry. So the first thing we want to do is get all our dry particulate off the floor. You can do that with a vacuum or a dust mop like this one here. Just want to make sure that nothing gets trapped in the machine or the scrubbing pad when we're scrubbing the floor. So once we get all our dry dirt up, the next thing we're going to do is mix our chemistry. Okay, now we're going to mix our cleaning chemistry. I'm just using a neutral pH cleaner. According to the instructions, for heavy soiled floors I need 3 to 4 ounces. So I'm going to dump 8 ounces of my pH neutral cleaner into this mixing cup here. Let me find 8 ounces. Actually, this is a 4-ounce cup, so I'm going to do this twice because I got 2 gallons of water. So there is 1, and that's 2. We always want to use a mixing cup when we're mixing cleaning solutions. Glug glug is not 2 ounces. The instructions are pretty specific. Let's make sure we follow the label instructions for anything that we're using when we're cleaning a floor. So now that I've got this ready to go, I'm going to wet mop it on the floor and we're going to let it dwell. So now I'm going to wet mop this solution on the floor and we're going to let it dwell for that 10 to 15 minutes to allow the surfactant to do the work so that I don't have to. I want to make sure I put enough solution on the floor so that it doesn't dry in that 10 to 15 minutes. We want to make sure it stays wet. So we let our cleaning solution dwell for 10 to 15 minutes, let the surfactant do the work. I'm going to put my red pad on my scrubbing machine here, and we're going to scrub this floor. Not in a big hurry. You want to move the machine slowly, and you want to overlap each pass by half. That way I ensure I scrub every inch of this floor. Let the pad do the work. Now that we're done scrubbing, we'll grab the wet vac and we'll get this slurry picked up. So I just used my wet vac, sucked up all this dirty water. Next thing we got to do is rinse, and we're good to go. So now we're just going to rinse our floor. We need to do this after the post and the deep cleaning procedures because we used 4 ounces to a gallon on our cleaning solution, and we don't want to leave behind any residue. If we were doing our daily cleaning, we would have damped mop 2 ounces to a gallon on the floor, or we would have used an auto scrubber. In those particular situations, rinsing isn't required. But once I've got it all rinsed up, we're going to let it dry. Should take about 5 minutes or so, and our floor is ready to be put in service. All right, so we rinsed our floor. We're all done. This is post-installation, daily and deep cleaning for all smooth Tarkett flooring solutions. The procedures are the same, the products are the same, the equipment's the same, pad's the same. Just follow those steps. Those are required for maintaining your smooth Tarkett flooring products. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.